New Year, everyone. I'm going to be attempting to make a sourdough bread. This is my second time making it, so I'm going to bring you guys along with me. Okay, I have 400 grams of flour, and now I need to get my salt and water. Now I'm zeroing my scale every time I use it so that I can really measure it accurately. Then I'm going to add my sourdough starter, and I'm going to be using 100 grams. And this is what it looks like. I'm just going to stir this up and use my hands afterwards. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to cover it with a clean towel for 4 hours. Okay, it's been some time now, and I'm about to do my last fold, and then I'm going to put it on the counter, and then the last step will be to refrigerate it for 8 hours or overnight. So I'm gonna do that. Good morning, you guys. Happy 2025. I cannot believe we're here now. Oh my gosh. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas day, Christmas week, and just a wonderful New Year's Eve. I am currently enjoying some tea. Guys, I have so many things to update you guys. Yesterday was January 1st, and I woke up, had breakfast and all of that, and then I had this energy burst to just like start cleaning, and I went with it. I didn't film it, but I had this energy to just deep clean my kitchen and deep clean my bathroom, and I did, and it felt really, really nice. The day before that was New Year's Eve, which I had to work, and then at night I went to the gym, so that was really nice. I felt like I ended the year on a good note, and it was very nice and relaxing. I probably went to bed just before the new year. I'm currently waiting for my laundry to dry. I did all of this laundry yesterday and I'm still waiting for some of it to dry. I have so many things to update you guys, like resolutions and goals and things like that. I was really reflecting during this time, what do I want my new year to look like? And I realized that there's a lot of things that I want to change, and like the products that I use and products that I use on my skin and for cleaning and whatnot. So I have been doing a lot of research and I've been learning a lot, and with that I'm also going decaf. So I don't drink regular coffee anymore, and it's been about 2 weeks. And now I did have sort of like a withdraw from it the first week, and I'd say like the first week and a half I felt really off. I had headaches and things like that, but it's better now. If I felt like a migraine was really bad, all I would do was just either relax, take a pill, or have black tea, because the first couple of days were really hard, and I could not believe how dependent I was on coffee. I'm not saying I'm never going to drink it anymore. I think I will, but I don't foresee that in the near future at the moment. And I've also been having decaffeinated tea as well. Trying to go for organic teas. Like this one is from Mother's Milk, and it's an organic raspberry leaf. I'm so excited to share with you guys like this journey and this vision of my new life, like the tips, the tricks, the things that work for me. But anyway, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna start cleaning and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So let's go. Okay, I wanted to show you guys my vision board for 2025. I have it here on my laptop and I thought I would show you guys. So here it is. So I have this as a symbol of having my hands open to whatever God is calling me. This one over here is tea, because I am giving up coffee, more fruits and vegetables in general. And then self-care, of course, because that is very important, as well as exercising, whether that's going to the gym or doing it at home. And with that, I want to do a no stress. So like try to journal, try to decompress and not focus too much on the problems that may be going on or anything like that. And then these are just things that I wish I could have, and that it's just like a reminder for me to work towards. And obviously I don't have any pets, but I love cats, so I really like this picture of this cute kitten here. And like I mentioned, I want to do a non-toxic living in 2025, and I'm still learning a lot about this, but I'm so excited to share with you guys this journey. And this is a reminder for me to do a non-toxic home. And of course I have my religious pictures here, which are so sweet. This photo here, by the way, says, "I can achieve my wildest creative dreams going slow and resting often." So this photo, I really liked it because it was a reminder of resting, but also following your dreams, and while not letting things get stressful. So I think it's all just a nice balance, and this really represents my vision for 2025. And I just wanted to share that if you guys haven't made a vision board, I really highly recommend it. It's also very fun, and I think it's very nice to see the photos that you vision yourself doing. So I think this is helpful in many ways, but by no means is this a way of me manifesting, because I personally do not believe in that. I don't. So I would love to start my sourdough now. I need to start my oven. I think it's time. I've left it there overnight and then this whole morning. It's okay to leave it in the fridge for 48 hours. So I left it in there just to really ferment and get the flavors. So I'm going to preheat my oven. Then I'm gonna put it in at 450 and we'll see how it looks. Okay, my oven is on and it's going to preheat for 30 minutes at 500 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and let this do its thing. I might do some walking, some steps on my walking pad. We'll see. I did about 20 minutes of walking. Okay, and now I'm gonna keep walking for another 15 minutes and then I'm going to come back to my bread after that. So let's keep going. And here is the result. I'm gonna let it cool down for a while until I can cut it. So yeah, I really love the way it looks. I can't wait to try it. Hi you guys. Okay, so it is much later. I am kind of getting ready for bed now, but I wanted to show you guys I got my Amazon order that I placed this morning. And also I just want to say, like, it's amazing how quick Amazon can be, because I placed this order around 11 in the morning and then now it's here, so that's just crazy. But anyway, what I ordered is a new dish soap, and I wanted to show you guys this new technique that I use. So let me grab it. So what I basically did is I made my own dish soap in this bottle that I also ordered from Amazon. It came in a set of 2. I just put a little bit of the concentrate and then the rest is water. And the one that I used is the unscented Pure Castle soap by Dr. Bonners, which is this guy. I'm sure you guys have seen it, and I'm just amazed at how versatile this is and also how clean the product is. Also, this is what my bread looks like. I covered it. Can't wait to enjoy it maybe tomorrow in the morning with coffee. This is only my second one, so I'm really proud of it. I can't wait to continue to make more.